Rexke me duru hadarnaka adi thoda worded amunge koremes, but I don't remember me duru hadarnaka, but like Rex hadamve me varak kudairu. I was me mammage kara faliya me gendani mama mengeya, and I did something with it, and my family always makes jokes about that about me. So yeah, I am a durhadanaka white. Yeah, komme rodamo rashuga Rex and mammang helping about this patikega. I'll be helping her with something, but me rodamo there's like it was kurana covered because I am living with like varagida me hanakega, so like, plus we don't cook gega me haru, so that's that. Komme rodamo gendane ge tere saaf koffanone kulala fekalkanta kuran, but me fahara there wasn't anything like that. Oh yeah. Keram kuluma uno kulung then ane nana godiye like rekulaga madashi godi ekule and divane. It was very fun. Cousins I we would play it. I work in acting and modeling boda acting then fahatung annane. Modeling ge tere mi fahum ane fenikendane Marine Expo ga fashion show eka bavere fennane, and acting adi vara bavere projects tannu nukume bavere tanung gudanu ga ulene Rex ke baye pirirvahaka ga ulene, and my first debut movie me media net kendane movie night. Yeah, I think adi ulene bavere, but that's all I can remember. Faseha kanta taka ane it's Rex vara faseha because Rex ke I like unpredictable schedules. Sanga 9 to 5 jobs taka no de way ehme I like me kala schedules ka work korang, but mege udaguwa tankolake me kala schedules ka uleru. You might have to work 8 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours straight hamar set ga shooting ga ulen jahana, and by far malem beravas tan jahana gena doha. That is udaguwa kame, and every boda udaguwa kame ke payments delay. That is MMS mihar industry MMS dimawa kame, cause model la gotuga noni actor ga gotuga when you provide a service, and a service like payano kuravenya, that is varabodu udaguledo, cause this is what we do as a living. This is our profession. Oh yeah, and payment kanta takuga Rex adi me fahum fahaga we kame, but and Rex friends with some industry ga ule me hum complaint kuramanda kame payments that 2 months 3 months delay wo, but and misal ka shoot just sa for hafta ge terega me hum products release ava kore, but payment kurani 2-3 months later. That's not how it's supposed to work. Rex I'm a good chef and a cook. Yeah, homemade meche hadam vara moluane. I make very good pizza and lasagna. Hedikaves hadange, but me haranege because I haven't cooked in a really long time. Ragaluana kavanege. Komikala fati that was okay because like Rexaka ge half funny eche gina nu kaverne, and rodavila gadiga magane cafe I will hodula verne gadiga. Aslo ya tafater no ane rodamas no mahevejja menduru kagen then regadu kagen animoni. Then rodam havagot vejja menduru nu kaden hame kani regadu kani irosa gadiga eche kala fasol. It's basically same Rexa. Amuko Rex hai picky non ka eche sa ane phone eche bata then huri eche kevena. Rexa amuko ka hevane bata garu dio. And me no, but like vara hada me rodama school gosavale it was. We would just school adane 2-3 hours ago and then rattaina ke sakara jaha nangyanga sa then badige golu. That's like vara kuriga hatane. I haven't gone Russia in 3-4 years, so rammati miss vadi rodama sama. Gaf dal thina.